Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of our Poetry Slam unit and week 3 of distance education. Hopefully you're finding a little bit of a groove, a little bit of a schedule as you're moving forward through the semester. Each day is becoming a little bit easier for you. I don't know about you guys, but I'm missing sports a little bit. And so I wanted to integrate that into our week of activities. What we're going to be doing is we're going to have a Poetry Slam bracket, whereas all 4 of my speech classes are going to do it at the same time. We're going to use a bracket that you can find here under this assignment. You're going to open this bracket and it has 8 different Poetry Slam videos. You're essentially going to pick the winners and submit that as a bracket like you would do in a March Madness. And then as a class, we're going to vote each day on the matchups for that day. And at the end of the week, we'll come up with a champion. So on Wednesday, you will have this Elite 8 Google form, and both of these here. You're going to vote on the first 4 matchups. I will tally up the results at the end of those, and that'll decide our final 4. Then on Thursday, you will vote on the final 4 videos, which 2 are the winners. And on Friday, you'll vote on the championship winner. You also have a quick write using the rubric that is attached to this Poetry Slam bracket, this rubric here. You have a quick write where you will need to answer the question, why did you pick your championship slam poem video? Answer in a thorough, complete thought. Remember, think of this as a quick write. Answer this question as a discussion board using at least one academic vocabulary word from the rubric. Examples are vocals, performance, tone, inflection, pacing, etc. A quick write is about 5 minutes of just constant writing. Don't worry too much about grammar or sentence structure, just about getting your thoughts out in a complete way. Okay? So that's what we have going on this week. If you want more information for the bracket, you watch the video there and I will go into detail about each of the other assignments for this week. Also for this week, you have a narrative speech PDF reflection turn in and a self-evaluation PDF here. These two things go together. This is only if you did not do it before the spring break when we were in class. If you did not do it then, you do need to do it now. It's about the narrative speech, so which was a while ago now, but you will need to do that now, so that way you can get the points in the classroom because we will still be using the self-evaluation PDF for our presentations going forward this semester. What that is this PDF here, this personal learning chart. You have the assignment, the date, your positives and strengths, negatives and weaknesses, all the way down. Okay, so you'll do page 1 and page 2 and page 3. You should have those pages done already. Uh, if you have already done this, just turn it in if you don't have the points already. If you haven't done this, do it now, turn it in, get those points. Thank you.